This is your local forecast. Weather information you can plan on, only on the Weather Channel.
More formidable tropical storm. Top winds are up to 60 miles per hour. Marco has a 4 o'clock Eastern time at 13.9 north, 80 west, about 355 miles southwest of Kingston, Jamaica. There the top winds of 60 miles per hour. The movement now a little more discernible to the east at 6 miles per hour. Pressure 29.32 inches. That is a pretty good fix based on the Hurricane Hunter aircraft, which have been crisscrossing the region all afternoon. Right now we have a tropical storm watch for Jamaica. Now it looks like the general movement is going to be easterly, then a little more towards the northeast, so eventually by tomorrow we may actually see some watches being issued for Hispaniola. So folks around Haiti and the Dominican Republic, and even down the road for Puerto Rico and the Virgin Island area, will have to be dealing with this as far as at least getting some heavy rainfall across the region. Satellite vantage point, here is Jamaica, and here is the center of our strengthening tropical storm. It's starting to pull away from the Nicaraguan coast, but it will be a factor now. From here on out, it's going to be traversing some pretty warm waters. Water temperatures are pretty much in the low 80s across this area. The mitigating factor may be some stronger westerly winds in the upper atmosphere. That may help to keep it from strengthening too fast, but it may very well be on its way to becoming a minimal hurricane by this time tomorrow. The other angle showing the other satellite picture, losing some daylight here, but again the center fairly well discernible, a fairly decent circulation, and that has been confirmed by the Hurricane Hunter aircraft in the area. So a whole lot going on. Unfortunately, plenty more rain, plenty more snow, and a lot of bitter cold air in between. For more on the forecast, let's turn it back to the studio and Jill Brown.
It's Tropical Storm Marco. 13.8 north, 79.5 west, the center of the circulation. Hurricane season doesn't officially end for another 2 weeks. Maximum sustained wind 65 miles per hour. It continues to intensify. Fortunately, it's moving out over the open waters of the west central Caribbean. Pressure 993 millibars, 29.32 inches. But watch it bubbling. Watch the bubblement, if you will, of Tropical Storm Marco. Look right in there. You can just imagine bubbling from underneath. Look at that. It's like looking down into a pot of strawberry flavored pudding when the milk is still boiling. It's bubbling up right in there. And who knows, we may see an eye out of this thing in not too short a time. Appears to be a better outflow here on the northwest side. Center circulation right in there on the west side of this so-called convection. Bears watching, but it's moving east. Tropical storm watch still in effect for Jamaica. We'll have to keep an eye on that too, out towards Santo Domingo and Haiti.
6.8 west. That put the center of Marco about 140 miles south of Kingston, Jamaica, with maximum sustained winds around 45 miles per hour. The hurricane center not expecting any real change in the strength over the next 24 hours. The storm has been meandering. It's nearly stationary in the central Caribbean and not really expected to make any definite movement over the next 24 hours. Central pressure about 992 millibars, and the latest satellite view, the infrared enhanced satellite view, shows the convection associated with Tropical Storm Marco is mainly to the north and east of the storm center. There is considerable shearing coming in from the west and southwest, and as a result of that, the convection has been shifted off to the east of the eye of the storm. Here's a look now at the Tropical Storm Watch, which is in effect for the island of Jamaica, and we will of course keep you updated should anything change. But again, over the next 24 hours, we're not expecting any real movement of Tropical Storm Marco or any change for that matter in its strength. Here's a look now at the forecast for the weekend.
From a special place where chocolate is everything.
Several hours into tomorrow, so we're looking at light to moderate accumulation towards the northern Rockies also. And we're looking at the highs for Tuesday. Again, it'll be cold towards the heartland of the nation, with temperatures only making it into the teens as far as Peoria, Illinois. And then the lows on Wednesday will be in the 20s across the Tennessee Valley area. That's a little bit of an improvement. 30s, not an improvement across southern Georgia, southern Mississippi, and Louisiana. Then the weekend outlook for Thursday, Big Turkey Day, cold across much of the nation. We're looking at 40s for Lubbock, Texas, but that's a little bit of a rebound. Pretty cold still across the southern plains. Miami and LA still holding on to be the warm spots of the nation this Thursday, the holiday season, with highs in the 70s. And then on Friday, we head into the weekend and things get a little bit more normal for the southeast, but still cool below normal, around 50 for the afternoon high in Atlanta, Georgia. And it looks like Dallas will see highs in the low 50s on Friday as well. And then on Saturday, we'll see temperatures making it a little bit more of a rebound towards the Ohio Valley. We'll see some 50s there. Still pretty cloudy and cool over much of the Carolina area. Well, coming up, we'll take a look at your weather update for the local forecast.